Hello, everybody. Welcome back here to our project. So this is a first floor bathroom, what we call a powder room remodeling, and this is the completion. So it's a big transformation. It turned out very nice, as you can see. The floor tile, the walls, everything looks completely different. It looks nice, refreshed, and modern. We replaced the windows, uh, radiator covers. We decided to keep the toilet as it was recently replaced, and overall looks fantastic. It's a lot better than I expected to turn out, as always. So the faucet, very stylish. The vanity cabinet stylish as well. Well, that's all. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.